Today I'm going to teach you how to create an image folder in GitHub. This is a really useful skill if you're managing a project and need to organize your visual assets in a structured way, keeping everything clean and accessible for your team or for future reference. First, open your web browser and head over to github.com. Once you're there, sign in using your credentials. After logging in, you'll land on your GitHub homepage where you can see all your repositories and recent activity. Now navigate to the left panel where you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the repository where you want to create your image folder. This will open up that specific repository showing you all its current files and folders. Once you're inside your chosen repository, look toward the top right area of the screen and click on Add File. A drop-down menu will appear with a few options. From this menu, select Create New File. This action will take you to a new page where you can start building your folder structure. In the upper left corner, you'll see a field labeled Name Your File. This is where you'll define your folder path. Type in your folder name, followed by a /, for example, images/. The / is crucial here because it tells GitHub that you're creating a folder, not just a file. Right after the /, you'll notice another text field appears beside images/. In this field, type a placeholder file name, such as image folder. GitHub requires at least one file inside a folder to create it, so this placeholder is necessary for now. Once you've entered both the folder name and the placeholder file, look to the upper right corner and click Commit Changes. A pop-up window will appear asking you to confirm. Go ahead and click Commit Changes again to finalize the creation of your folder structure. Now that your folder exists, it's time to upload your actual images. In the upper right corner, click Add File once more, and this time select Upload Files from the drop-down menu. This will bring you to an upload interface where you can add your image files. You have two options here. You can either drag your image files directly into the designated area on the screen, or you can click Choose Your Files to browse through your computer's file system. If you choose the second option, navigate to where your images are stored, select the image you want to upload, and click Open. Your selected image will then appear in the upload area, ready to be committed. Finally, click Commit Changes to complete the upload process. Your images are now safely stored in your newly created folder within your GitHub repository. And that's it. You've successfully created an image folder in GitHub and populated it with your files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.